Cultural relativism. This is the principle that a person believes an activity shall be understood without judgment. I have here an example of demonstration of cultural relativism. Ethnocentrism. When people judge other culture based on the standard with judgment. I have an example of demonstration ethnocentrism. This video show how they disrespectful to other culture.
Look at his outfit. It's so nice. Maybe that's the one of their cultural. Yeah, I think. Is it maybe it's the one of her. Go. Besh, what are you wearing? It's like, ew! It's only covering everything. Ooh, what he's doing? Like, so weird.
Sometimes you have to appreciate the culture around you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned about our video.